aren't, and that's because the little impeller that spins to circulate the water has become frozen, and this just is a quick way to unfreeze it. Just take you about 5 minutes. That's this thing. Just going to move the arm either that way, sometimes it's you move it this way, but it'll loosen up and then you can take that out. With the center tongues removed, it's a little bit easier to get to the impeller. So I'm just going to go in there, kind of wiggle it in as far as it'll go. I can feel that impeller turning. I'm going to rock it back and forth. I'm going to rock it to the left, rock it to the right. Then when you try your cycle, you can let it fill, and when you hear that it's about to circulate, you can add in some mineral oil, and the mineral oil will act as a lubricant to lubricate that shaft.